Welcome to Photoshop and today's quick tip of the day. So we are going to come over here and go over the eyedropper tool. So I have this vector here and I'm going to make a selection of the black, and it's going to select all the black in the image, and that's because I have this contiguous unchecked. And so we're going to come over here and you will see if I select the eyedropper tool, right now our foreground color is white. So if I wanted to make that black, I can easily put the eyedropper over the color that I want to change it to and make it black. And you can do that with any color in the image. So what we're going to go over today though is you can actually use the eyedropper tool to select colors anywhere on your Mac. So notice over here I have a web page opened up and we have this little chihuahua, and we are going to select the color of his fur and then apply it to this image. So the way this works, it's a little bit different. You're going to take the eyedropper tool and you're going to take the mouse and click and hold down. That's the trick. Click and hold down, and then as you go outside of your document and hover, it will change. So I'm going to come over here to the fur and I can select that. Let me quit. I had to quit pinpoint because it was picking up the green in the pinpoint tool. So I'm going to do that once again. I'm going to click and hold down. I'm going to go over to the fur, and you can see as I'm going over right here, it's reading the different colors. So I can go and I can hover over and find a color that I like. Let's say that's it right there. I can select, and now that's my new color. So now that I have this color and I have this selection over here, okay, so I've turned pinpoint back on so you can see the quick key. So I'm going to hold down Shift Delete, and that Shift Delete is going to automatically bring up my foreground color, and that is the color that we picked over here on the dog. I'm going to hit OK, and you can see that it has filled in all the blacks that were selected with this foreground color that I picked over here. So once again, to do that, you're going to click and hold down, drag outside of your document, and then anything that you hover over, it will pick up. Right now, unfortunately, it's seeing the green from pinpoint, so that's what it's trying to select, so it won't work in this case. But hopefully that was helpful. You learned a little bit more about the eyedropper tool. If you have any comments or questions, you can leave those below, and thanks for watching.